grilled shrimp is Apex Beach Eats. I'm putting a Bayesian twist on it, making a Scotch bonnet marinade. You can't have island flavor without having island heat. Western explorers thought that this native Caribbean spice was pepper. You may know it as allspice, but I know it as pure comfort. Scallions. A little thyme goes a long way. Olive oil. And this needs to marinate and chill for a while. Remember these? From the fridge to the fire. Mango pepper sauce.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really want, yeah. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want, yeah. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want, yeah. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want.
Shrimps and fire are definitely best friends. This smells amazing.